Hey guys, Brian here with another foundation repair tip of the day. Did you know reviews on the internet aren't always that believable? Third-party sites like Yelp, HomeAdvisor, and Google are very reliable. The reason being is because no one has control besides the people leaving the review. So if a homeowner leaves a review, we can't dictate if it's a good review, bad review, or indifferent. It's all dependent on the experience that that customer receives. So if you have any questions on reviews, please feel free to check out the third-party reviews. Not all the reviews on the company's websites, even ours included, are going to be as accurate as those third-party sites, because believe it or not, you can manipulate reviews on your own website. So check out the third-party sites, and good luck finding a foundation repair contractor in your area.